It's another Imperfect video. Ugh. So it's now really springy outside, so I'm hoping for some amazing produce. I totally forgot what I ordered, so it'll be a mystery until we unbox. And a kind of small order for me. Only 2 boxes. So we'll start with clearly a classic in our household, the sourdough bread. We tried to cut down to just 1 loaf of freezer bread. Eat a lot of bread. Ooh, speaking of not cutting down, we got the cinnamon bread. This is by Imperfect, and it's so good. I messaged them on Instagram to see which bakery they use, and they were like, "No, it's our own stuff." So I hope they come out with some more baked goods because it's insane, so good. Just some barbecue chips. I was in the mood apparently. After saying that I picked less bread, then you just see I have a ton of garbage junk food. Okay, broccoli. Yay, health. And it's looking really good. We've got, oh yes, you know it's summer, sugar snap peas. I stinking love sugar snap peas. We've got a bag of spinach and another bag of chips. These are veggie sticks. Not the veggie sticks brand that I've had, but a different brand. So, yum. They say on them they're vegan, which is always nice. So I'm super lactose intolerant and I eat a ton of cheese. We got homestyle guacamole. Never had it before. Well, I've had guacamole before, but I've never had this brand. And then we have the freezer bag. This is going to be extra crinkly. They're using cardboard instead of those bubble wrap things, which I like better. You can actually recycle that here. We've got tamales. My husband really missed those last week. Yes, green goddess dressing. Oh, it's so good. I've been eating it with eggs. We've got provolone cheese slices, which means that there are probably some veggie burgers in here. We've got, the word is escaping me, pineapple. Watch my brain cells die. Live. We've got my dumplings, tofu vegetable dumplings. I get these every time. Sometimes I get 2. They are so good. We've got, my husband loves this hummus. Loves it. It's a little too spicy for me, but I'm a wuss. We have, I don't know what you are, roast beef. Clearly for my husband. I'm going to put that down there. The meat pile. We've got beets. Love beets. I do love beets. They are pre-cooked. All you have to do is slice them up. They are skinned and everything. And this is mango. Yum. We've got his ground turkey. Again, a frequent flyer in our house. And yay! My Impossible burgers. Well, it's going to become a burger. It's right now just ground beef. And we got, ooh, I had this last time, mild salsa. It's actually pretty local to me. It says it's in Lancaster, no, it's Lancaster Foods, but it's in Jessup, Maryland. So that's nice. And then we have a freezer pack. Actually necessary now that things are heating up around this area. So, second box, here we go. That means I'm missing some, not missing, but I know I ordered some fruit in addition to the sliced fruit, so I'm sure it's in here. And yes, it is. In addition to pita, yum. So I'll do like a pita with the green goddess stuff. Yum. We've got green leaf lettuce, and it's the kind with the root ball on the bottom. So you can just put a little water in there and it'll stay super crispy. Not that it lasts long in my house. We got the recycled chocolate chip cookies. Upcycled, not recycled, that would be really gross. Upcycled cookies, these are so good. It's a partnership with Fancy Pants. And then these are my favorite ones, the vanilla oat. So like the chocolate chip are amazing, but the vanilla oat, oh my god. And we've got, yeah, I'm addicted to these. The Hatch chips. They are spicy, but I put Greek yogurt on them, and then I can handle it. Yay, fruit! Strawberries! And they look really good. Yay, strawberry season is coming. We've got tomatoes, mini heirlooms. I don't remember ordering these, but I love heirloom tomatoes, especially the little babies. so good. We've got blueberries, and I think your friends, yes, the blackberries. I am a blackberry person. My husband's a blueberry person. Together, we are fruity. Next, well, you certainly are imperfect. A mega sweet potato. It is beautiful the way it is. Just beautiful the way it is. It's got a butt. Then we have my turmeric wraps. They're sweet potato turmeric. They are so good. They're like savory and flavorful without being overwhelming to the food. Tikka masala sauce. Yeah, obsessed now. Obsessed now. I put on everything. And the pretzel pieces by the Imperfect brand. We get these every week. And they're gone within 2 days. And pesto. Also, we get it every week and it's gone within a few days. It does take us longer. We got avocados. Starting to get these more frequently now that they're closer to in season in this area. We've got, I guess these are red potatoes. Some red potatoes. We've got, we're almost to the bottom here already. Some Cara oranges. It looks so good. Why are you imperfect? Probably overstock. Yeah, I love oranges in my cocktails, so that's why you're gonna see a lot more oranges. We've got gnocchi, can't go wrong. Gnocchi, pesto, spinach, boom dinner, and butter and cheese. And we have a cucumber. Yay! So all of this my order this week. I'll put the price below. I think a few people requested that last time, so I'll say like how much things were. There was one item that they told me they couldn't send me, which was my, I think it's Hodo brand tofu cubes. I really liked that brand the last time I tried it, but they were out of stock, so they refunded me right away. I hope this was helpful. If you want to get $10 off your first order with Imperfect, there's a code below. Have a great week. Take care.